Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now at the end of October. So as we take a look here in the past 24 hours, the market is actually pretty red. We are down about 0.96%, so almost 1% in the red. Our top gainer seen in the past 24 hours, guys, you won't believe it. It's going to be Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is our top gainer in the past 24 hours at 10.93%. Is currently trading around 27 cents. So with Doge, we've been seeing Doge trade around the 20s for a while, and we might be breaking through and getting into the 30s once again, which would be a crazy move, obviously, for Doge, as it has kind of been tapering off in the past few months. Our highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin. So if you take a look here, volume is at 27.4 billion, Ethereum at 14.8 billion. So Bitcoin is down about 0.5% or so, still trading around the 61,000 area that it's been around for the past few days. Ethereum down about 1.94%, trading around this 4,100 area. Also, all these other altcoins are down about 1 or 2%, it seems like, except obviously Dogecoin making a nice move here. Everything else down a little bit. Shiba Inu actually has been making a nice move as well. We were actually breaking new highs here in the past 24 hours, making huge moves. We got into the 4, guys. We were trading at 0.000046 at one point. Then we pulled back down, obviously, to about, let's say, to about 0.000032, and then came back up. So we were at all-time highs right there, actually, for the past few days. So that is very nice to see with Shiba. Shiba is making a move, and all these other altcoins are either up or down a percent or so, depending on which one we're looking at. So guys, if you enjoy this type of content, let's get into it. Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. The first cryptocurrency on our list is going to be Uniswap, also known as Uni. So Uni right now is down about 4% or so, trading around this $25.85. If we take a look here at the 1 week chart, we're down about 4.5%. On the 1 month chart, we're up about 20.2%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 778.6%, guys. So last October, we were trading around $2 or so. We went all the way up to highs of about $45 in May, pulled back down to lows of about $14 or so in July, and then made another comeback here into the September and October, obviously. Right now we're consolidating and we're waiting for the next either run up or to pull back down. One or the other is going to happen eventually. We're just going to be waiting for it and trying to time it, I guess you could say pretty much perfectly. Currently 15.8 billion market cap on Uniswap. We have volume at 246.9 million, which is down about 3% lower than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 29 days. It is ranked the number 9 coin on the list. 45% buy activity, 55% sell activity right now. For those of you who are not familiar with Uniswap, it is an Ethereum token that powers Uniswap, an automated liquidity provider that's designed to make it easy to exchange Ethereum tokens. There is no order book or central facilitator on the Uniswap. Instead, tokens are exchanged through liquidity pools that are defined by smart contracts. So this coin is definitely another one that we're going to be watching very closely. If we were to get back to these highs at $45 or so, we will be trading close to a 30 billion market cap, a little bit higher than 30 billion market cap, and that definitely seems like a reasonable price for Uniswap. That could happen in the next 10 to 15 years for sure. We could see higher prices continue to surge, and this could even be a coin that's worth 50 billion or higher, close to $100 per coin. I would not be surprised to see Uniswap continue to grow as cryptocurrency continues to expand and everybody continues to get into more and more alternative cryptocurrencies. So definitely Uniswap adding to your radar, guys, to see how it's going to perform. Then we have Phantom. So Phantom right here, FTM. This one in the past 24 hours, it is up almost 6% or so, trading at $2.73 on the 1 week chart. We're up about 27.54%. Nice move here from low twos. We were trading around $2.17. Then we hit highs up here about $2.83 at one point. In the past month, we're actually making an explosive move. This altcoin has been booming. We're up over 116% as it was trading at around $1.10. If you would have bought in at $1.10, you'd be up over 150% or so profit just in the past month, which is insane gains, obviously, on a coin like this one with a lower market cap. Here on the 1 year chart, we're actually up over 10,495%, guys. So last October, this coin was trading around, what, 1 cent or so? It was at 0.0167. So it's very, very cheap. Just imagine what could have happened. I mean, here, obviously, in May, we saw highs of about 90 cents, pulled back down to about 16 cents in July. And then from that 16 cents area, we just continue to boom higher and higher and higher. So over 10,000% gains in the past year. For anybody that got in early on this coin, that is just insanity, because $1,000 invested, obviously, obviously at you know, 1,000% gain would be $10,000 profit. So $1,000 invested on this coin would have brought you back $100,000 in just 1 year of holding it, which is just insane gains in my opinion right there. So 7 billion market cap currently, volume at 803.4 million, which is about 41.57% less than usual. All-time high at 283, like we said, as this coin continues to rise higher and higher. Just in the past month, obviously the market cap has doubled. So the market cap was closer to the 3.5 billion area, and now we're trading at over 7 billion market cap. So it continues to rise, and you know, we're just waiting to see if it continues to rise on higher, or if we're going to see a little bit of a cool off and a pullback down. As you can see, that highs get higher and lows get lower as we tend on to go higher and higher in the past month and a half. So Phantom is definitely booming, and we're going to be continuing to watch this one to see if it can continue to break through that 10 billion market cap, and obviously over $3 per coin in the future. Then at the number 3 spot, we have Filecoin, FIL. This one right here, in the past 24 hours, it is down about 2.9% or so, trading at $63.74. In the past week, we're down about 4.2%. Past month, 14.5%. And then on the 1 year chart, we're up over 147%, as this one was trading at around $30 last October. We went to highs here in April at around $200, $237 at one point. Then the market obviously pulled back down, continued to go lower and lower. We saw lows down here of about $40 once again in July, which is pretty similar to the area we were trading in October, obviously. Cooled down, popped up here all the way to over $113. So close to almost 200% gains were made here between July and September, so in about a month and a half or so. Now we're consolidating with a little bit of a downtrend, waiting for the next bounce on higher. If we go down to about $40 or so, I'm hoping for that to be a support level and to bounce off at a support level and continue to rise on higher, and you know, gather up that snowball effect and continue to roll as volume increases. Hopefully the price increases as well. As you guys can see right here, market cap is only at 7.4 billion, so pretty close to Phantom's market cap as well. Volume is 64% higher than usual at 614.3 million. Typical hold time on this coin is going to be 14 days, and obviously 51% buy activity and 49% sell activity on this one. Filecoin is a cryptocurrency that powers the Filecoin network, a decentralized peer-to-peer file storage network that aims to let anyone store, retrieve, and host digital information. Now, FIL tokens are used as payments for these services as an economic incentive to ensure files are stored reliably over time. So this coin is definitely another one we're going to be watching. If we were to get back to those all-time highs areas at around 237 or so, we would be trading at over about a 20 billion market cap, a little bit higher, closer to 25 billion market cap, which would be, you know, still, in my opinion, not that crazy, as we've seen a lot of these other coins, you know, trade for even higher, and you know, they have nothing really backing behind it. But Filecoin, as it continues to gain more popularity, we'll be watching this one very closely in the future to see how it performs. So guys, those are the 3 altcoins. Now we're going to cover the rest of the market and see how things are moving. So Solana, like usual, trading around this $200 level. It is pretty much flat on the past 24 hours, down about 0.7%. We broke through those, you know, areas that we were waiting to break through, that 200 area. Doge, like we said, it's up over 9%, close to 10% or so right now. We've been making a nice move here in the past week or so, 14%, past month 21%, past year over 10,000%. So obviously we bounced down to about 20 cents, and now we're making a little bit of a rise on up, hoping to get to that 30 cents or higher. 35.9 billion market cap currently on Dogecoin, and obviously we have Shiba Inu, the next one after that. Shiba Inu continues to rise on higher, makes new highs. Market cap keeps on rising and rising, but it's obviously still about, you know, half of what Dogecoin is right now. So 15 billion market cap compared to Dogecoin's 35 billion market cap. Shiba Inu still has plenty of room to grow, but this coin has been, you know, making insane percentage gains. So for anybody that invested in November on this coin last year, they're probably millionaires right now if they would have invested a few $1,000s into Shiba Inu. So for anybody that did, you know, good luck to you and congratulations, because you're probably rolling in the dough right now if you've been holding Shiba Inu for since November. So definitely some nice moves out there, guys. Bitcoin is flat, down about 0.5% or so. As we can see, we're trading around the 61,000 area, pulled back down here on Sunday to 59, and then it came back up here Sunday night into Monday morning. In the past week, we're down about 1% on Bitcoin. In the past month, we're up 42% from lows of about 40,000 at one point. So about a 50% upside here from 40,000. And then on the 1 year chart, 376% from lows of 13,000 last October, which is insane. We broke through the all-time highs here in October of 2021. So over 67,000 at one point. 1.1 trillion market cap currently. 36% of the crypto market space is on Bitcoin. Volume at 27.3 billion, which is 3% higher than usual. 55% buy activity, 46% sell activity currently on Bitcoin. Then we have Ethereum, which is down about 1.94%. It has continued to go lower and lower here, all the way to lows of about 3,900 at one point. In the past week, we're up about 6.5%. In the past month, over 29%. And then on the 1 year chart, 889% or so. As we try to break through those highs. Now, we did break through the highs last week at around that 4,400 area. We broke through it and then pulled back down right away, pretty much. Now we're trading at around this 4,100 area and waiting for the next leg up. 482.2 billion market cap, which is 15% of the crypto market space currently. As you guys can see, volume is pretty much flat around this 14.8 billion. 81 typical hold time days on Ethereum. Trading activity is 61% buy activity and 39% sell activity. So Ethereum and Bitcoin pretty much holding steady here for the past few days, bouncing back and forth between this range. And now we're obviously going to be watching as earnings continue to happen in the stock market, how that is going to affect the crypto market as well, and how it's going to fluctuate the prices even either up or down, obviously, as things continue to move. And are we going to have a crypto boom into the end of 2021, or is this it? Was this the top, and now we're just going to be consolidating back and forth, and maybe even pulling back down into the end of the year? So you guys let me know in the comments below what your opinion is. What do you think is going to happen? Also, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Show some support. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I'm not a financial advisor, so speak to your financial advisor before investing. Make sure you understand it's a high risk, high reward type situation when you're getting into these investments. This is all for entertainment purposes only. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.